Hey honey, what's going on? How are you? Just want to see how you doing. Just testing a new camcorder. Just want to see how my little baby's going. How are you, baby? I hear noises. What's going on? Oh, I wish you were home with me. I'm really scared. I hear some noises. Oh my God, there's someone in your room. It's the Roomba! What a fucking molester. What's going on? Hey, why get out of my girl's room? What, do you think you can just fucking come into the house and get with her because you clean up her room and I don't? You know, I got things to do all day. Oh, Roomba. What you get stuck on? Oh, you almost ate up her bag. Sorry. It was pretty cool though how I kind of got over it. Well, I'll put this against the wall. Oh yeah, back to the Roomba. Sorry to make you dizzy. I forgot I'm recording. Look at it go. Just going. Roomba, love you, Roomba. You're just going all day. You go, girl. Don't let anyone tell you wrong. We love you, Roomba. It was in my office earlier, just like causing all sorts of shit. But it is pretty fucking cool. Look at that. It figures out the wall. It'll go over these cables. I'm just worried about it, so I'm worried, you know. What's it doing under this couch? I figured out how to find that. Is so fucking crazy. I figured out how to get out of the couch and shit. Well, look at that. How awesome is that? We love you, Roomba. I take over the world. Roomba is presented to you in HD by WBC, Wolf Broadcasting Corporation. Every day from 3 to 3:30, you can watch the Roomba clean a different room in our 1,500 square foot home. Available on demand now through Comcast. Public access.